Good morning, students. Again, welcome to maths class. Hope you all have studied chapter number 4 up to exercise 4.3. Today, we are going to start our exercise 4.4. Before this, students, you have to remind the basic rules of this chapter. And in this exercise, we are going to study about the nature of the roots. Remember the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Suppose you are having the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So nature of roots of this quadratic equation depends upon its discriminant, and you were already told that discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and we donate it with letter D. Now the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation depends on this discriminant. So what are the cases? The case 1 is if D is greater than 0, then two real and distinct roots दिस मीन्स अनइक्वल. मीनिंग क्या है कि इफ़ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 0, आपका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 0 हो, तो इट मीन्स जो गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है उसके रूट्स जो हैं वो एग्जिस्ट करेंगे एंड बोथ द रूट्स विल बी रियल एंड अनइक्वल, मीनिंग दोनों रूट्स इक्वल नहीं होंगे. सेकेंड केस है इफ़ डी इज़ इक्वल टू 0, then two real and equal roots exist. Similarly, if d is less than 0, d less than 0 मीन्स अगर आपका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जो है वो एक नेगेटिव नंबर आए तो इट हैज़ नो रियल रूट्स, तो वहाँ पर रियल रूट्स जो हैं वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेंगे. लेट अस टेक सम एग्जाम्पल. सपोज यू आर हैविंग अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन 2x स्क्वायर minus 4x plus 3. Here a is 2 and b is minus 4 and c is 3. First of all, I will find the discriminant, and formula to find the discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now putting the values, we get d is equal to minus 4 square is 16 and minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Here the discriminant is minus 8 and minus 8 is less than 0, mean discriminant जो है that is a negative number, so no real root exist. Let us take another example. Suppose we are having a quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again we can find its discriminant, and d will be b square minus 4ac, and it will be minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3, and it will be 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 24, and it will be 25, and 25 is greater than 0. So real and distinct roots exist. मीनिंग क्या है कि ओनली डिस्क्रिमिनेंट को फाइंड करके हम ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, और नेचर ऑफ रूट्स जो है वो कैसा होगा, मीनिंग रूट किस टाइप के होंगे. लेट अस स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 4.4. फाइंड द नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. इफ द रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट, find them, meaning first of all you have to check whether the roots exist or not. Here I am taking part 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is -3 and c is 5. Let us find discriminant, and discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and it will be -3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5, and you get 9 minus 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40, and it will be -31. This value is less than 0. Here discriminant is less than 0, so no real root exists. Let us take another part, that is part number 2. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is 3, b is minus 4 root 3 and c is 4. Again I am going to find discriminant. Minus 4 root 3 minus 4 into 3 into 4. Calculate it. 4 square 16 and 16 3s are 48. Minus again this will also 48. 4 4s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. And you find that discriminant is equal to 0. So roots are real and equal. मीनिंग रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करेंगे, वो रियल होंगे, बट वो इक्वल रूट्स आएंगे. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड द रूट्स. सो एक्स इज बाय यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. वी हैव एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वेयर माइनस 4ac अंडर द रूट डिवाइडेड बाय 2a, and minus b is minus 4 root 3, and you have to put one more negative sign again according to formula. And b square minus 4ac को ऑलरेडी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 0, and divide by 2a means 2 into 3, and you get this negative and negative will become positive. 4 root 3 plus minus 0 by 6. तो इट मीन्स 0 को हम प्लस करें या माइनस करें, देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन आर नंबर. So roots are 4 root 3 by 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So roots are सेम वैल्यू को हमें 2 टाइम्स रिपीट करना है. 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. मीनिंग जब भी रूट्स डिस्क्रिमिनेंट हमारा 0 होगा तो बोथ द रूट्स ऑफ द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन विल बी इक्वल. सिमिलरली इन थर्ड पार्ट we have calculated the discriminant, and here the discriminant is 12. In part number 3 the discriminant is 12, that is greater than 0. So real and distinct roots exist. Now we have to find the roots. Again we will use quadratic formula. Now by putting the values we get x is equal to 6 plus minus 12, and 12 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 root 3 by 4. Now we will take 2 common. 3 plus minus root 3 by 4, and now you can cancel it, and x is, so roots are, one time you have to take positive sign and second time you have to use negative sign. 3 plus root 3 by 2, and second root is 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these two are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have 2 equal roots. You have to concentrate on the condition given. Now the condition is that the given quadratic equation has 2 equal roots. अब 2 इक्वल रूट्स कब थे? स्टार्टिंग में हमने किया था इफ़ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0 देन द रूट्स आर इक्वल. So for this question we have to put the value of discriminant is equal to 0. First of all, it means we have to find the discriminant. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is k and c is 3. स्टूडेंट्स दिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू डू दीज क्वेश्चंस वेरी केयरफुली. And it will be k square minus 24 because roots are equal. ये हमें क्या है, गिवन है ये कंडीशन. सो d इज इक्वल टू 0. तो देयरफॉर k स्क्वेयर माइनस 24 इज इक्वल टू 0 and this gives you k square is equal to 24 and this gives you k is equal to plus minus root 24. And we can write plus minus plus minus root 24 is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. So k is plus minus 2 root 6. Plus minus means k have two values. One is with positive sign and the another one is with negative sign. Similarly, you have to do part number 2. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First of all, you have to open the bracket, then find the discriminant and put d is equal to 0. Now discriminant is 4k square minus 24k. Now we have to put it equal to 0 because roots are equal. After this step you have to go according to the given condition. एंड एग्जाम में ये भी आ सकता है कि रूट्स आर रियल. तो वेन एवर द रूट्स आर रियल यू हैव टू पुट डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. 4k स्क्वेयर माइनस 24k is equal to 0 and you can write it as taking 4k common, k minus 6 is equal to 0. So this gives two options, either for k is equal to 0 this gives you k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0 this gives k is equal to 6. So now you have two values for k 0 and 6 and you have to choose the correct value and you have to check whether both of the values are possible or not. So when we put k is equal to 0, see in question the quadratic term, the term with power x or 2 मीनिंग जो जिस टर्म के कारण आपका गिवन क्वेश्चन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन रहा है दैट विल वैनिश. तो k इज इक्वल टू 0 इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल एंड k 0 होने से आपकी सेकेंड टर्म जो है वो भी ख़त्म हो जाएगी. ओनली 6 विल बी देयर. सो वी हैव टू रिजेक्ट दिस वैल्यू. सो k इज इक्वल टू 0 विल बी रिजेक्टेड. तो देयरफॉर k इज इक्वल टू 6 इज द correct value for this question. Let us start question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. मीनिंग आपको पूछा गया है क्या हम इस टाइप से एक रेक्टेंगुलर मैंगो ग्रूव को डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. सो let us assume here it is given that length is twice its breadth. So let breadth is equal to x meter. Therefore length will be 2x meter because length is twice the breadth. So what will be its area? X into 2x. It will be 2x square. But एरिया जो है वो आपको गिवन है 800 मीटर स्क्वेयर. सो पुटिंग बोथ ऑफ द एरियाज इक्वल 2x स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 800 एंड यू गेट x स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 400 एंड यू गेट x इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 20 by taking the square root. It means there are two values for x. one is with positive sign and another one is with negative sign. So x is equal to minus 20 is rejected because the lengths are never negative. So x is 20. 20 means breadth is 20 meter and length is double the breadth, so it will be 40 meter. So these are the dimensions for the given condition. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends हैं and their sum of ages is given, that is 20 years. 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. बिफोर 4 years जो है उनकी एज में रिलेशन गिवन है एंड प्रेजेंट एज का रिलेशन गिवन है. So what we have to do, first of all we have to assume their present ages. This is A and this is friend B and before 4 years. तो ये कॉलम हमने और बना लिया. इसमें प्रेजेंट एज हमने फ्रेंड ए के लिए एज्यूम कर रहे हैं एक्स ईयर्स एंड फॉर बी इट इज़ वाई ईयर्स. तो बिफोर 4 years ए का जो एज होगा दैट विल बी एक्स माइनस 4 एंड बी का एज होगा वाई माइनस 4 एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इट इज़ गिवन दैट सम ऑफ देयर एजेस, प्रेजेंट एजेस का जो सम है दैट इज़ 20 years आपको गिवन है. सो वी कैन सेपरेट इट and it x is 20 minus y. And according to second condition, before 4 years आपको जो product of their ages है that is given 48. Now we can put the value of x here and then we can solve this equation. After solving this we get this equation, y square is equal to minus 20y plus 112 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of y and I am going to calculate discriminant here, and discriminant will be minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 112 and it will be 400 minus 448 and it will be minus 48. So this value is less than 0. So given condition is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because we are having the value of discriminant less than 0 and we have studied that if discriminant is less than 0 then no real root for the given equation exists. So we cannot find the values for the x and y. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, then find its length and breadth. Again we have to assume length and breadth. Here I have assumed length as x meter and y as breadth. Now perimeter is equal to, we know, 2 into length plus breadth, but perimeter is given to you that is 80. 80 is equal to 2 into x plus y and you can write it as 40 is equal to x plus y. Now we can separate any of the variable x or y. So we get 40 minus x is equal to y. And second equation we can form by area. Area is xy and area is given to you 400. So xy is equal to 400. Again we can put the value of y in 400 is equal to xy and we can solve it for x and y. We get equation x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0 and here I am going to factorize it by using splitting middle term method, and after solving this I get that x, both the values of the x are 20 and 20. By using the values of x we can find the values of y by putting in equation y is equal to 40 minus x, and here we get that y is also 20 meter. So the length and the breadth of the given field are 20 meter and 20 meter. Students, your chapter 4 is completed. So you have to practice the questions very carefully. Thank you.